All right, good morning, everyone. Uh, so this is probably going to be another day in which you take no trades. Um, ISIG again, our leading gapper here. This one, this one's making some massive moves pre-market here. I'm assuming at open this thing's just gonna go straight into another halt like it has the past 2 days, but I could always be wrong. It's rejecting here a couple, 30 seconds before open. 5-minute MACD doesn't look the best. Neither does the 10-minute. But this is the only one that's popping up on the scans besides, I guess, our other leading gapper, which is RELI. I drew trend lines and everything for RELI already. Our second leading gapper was DNAY. DNAY. So DNAY was also on watch, but I'm not super excited about this one. This one's kind of like whatever. Shoot, hold on. Okay, my bad. TPGY is also popping on the scans. Actually, DNAY is actually on the move here, but got distracted there. Accidentally typed a letter. Okay, so nice pop there, but rejection. Let's see if RELI's doing the same thing. I like RELI more just because I have traded it these past couple days. I don't like the 10-minute MACD though, so I'm gonna wait for that one to consolidate. DNAY. 10-minute doesn't look too convincing either, but the 1-minute MACD looks really good. So maybe I'll take a dip entry here. 6-cent spread so far. Kind of choppy price action, but there's 1050. So this is the one I take the trade on. I'm gonna wait for a pullback candle here. Kind of has room all the way up to 11. Massive drop there all the way back down to 30. Don't like to see that. So price action is kind of choppy on this one. Not too sure if I want to take a trade on it just because it's kind of whippy, choppy. It's having a hard time breaking that 1020 level. Let's see if it just flushes down real quick. There's 25 for a second. 24, 23. Let's see if we get that 1-minute break. Not quite. Quick pop to 39 there. I don't like the 5-minute or the way the 10-minute looks right now. This thing has to pop up. I'd say around 1050. Jesus. So all the way to 45 there, back down to 30 on the bid. I don't like the price action. Let's go to RELI, see what RELI's doing. So RELI popping up here, missed my move, missed my entry. Really nice entry position could have been taken there, but missed it, so that's okay. See if we can get on a pullback candle here. This one does have a history of selling off though, like right away, of making these big drops. So I gotta be very mindful of that. I want to buy this dip here. The only problem is that the ask isn't moving too much. It moved like 3 cents. This dips again to the 50s. I'm buying. So we got a couple more seconds here. See if the ask can get in the 50s. So I just bought that dip there at VWAP at 54. Gonna try and ride this back up. See if we can get a 2-candle pullback here. I'm going for the anticipation of another 5-minute high break. The next 5-minute high is gonna open, or the next 5-minute candle is gonna open here. 5-minute high is 73, so I'd be going for that break of 73 on the next 1 minute, I guess. So the 62. Just gonna wait this one out a little bit. 10-minute should open another 5 minutes, but overall I'm gonna go for that 5-minute high. Only thing is that I don't trust the 10-minute candle at all, so this has to be a significant 5-minute high break. So we got a couple more seconds here. See if we get that break all the way to 70. Having a little struggle there at 60. It's okay, got a big bid at 55. Gonna wait this one out a little bit. Jesus, look at that. Some massive drop. Not selling yet, gonna wait for a pop. It's not popping up here. Try and sell in the 30s if it does. So I'm just gonna get rid of it. So unexpected drop there. That was kind of nasty. I guess the 10-minute MACD gave it away there. 10-minute MACD just randomly flushed on me. So what was a $20 winner turns into a $100 loser there, which really sucks. I mean, that's just kind of a disgusting move. So as I mentioned earlier today, this one does have a history of just selling off dramatically. But that was just unexpected for me. I didn't really expect that one to drop as much as it did. I was thinking, okay, if this breaks 750, that's okay. It can probably hit 748, which is VWAP, and then pop back up, and then we could see another 1-minute climb, because the 5-minute looked pretty good still. But yeah, no, that just didn't work in my favor at all. So that honestly might just be it for me today. $100 loss. I'm just not, the way it's been this entire week, just to get something like that, you know, it's not what I want to trade. If Y, not a big mover, it's not really doing much. It is moving though, but ISIG almost got halted out of the gates, looks like, but had a false break. Now it's popping back up here. 1-minute MACD curl on ISIG. But I think it's kind of lost its momentum. It's made some big climbs these past 3 days, but you have some big wicks on all these candles here. So I could stick around and wait for RELI on the 10-minute, but I don't know. Part of me feels like I should have just taken my profit when it hit 65. Should have just taken my profit, because I don't know, at least it was some sort of profit. But again, I didn't expect it to make a massive drop like that. It's just kind of annoying, kind of frustrating. I wanted to hold it. I felt so comfortable in this position, if I'm being honest. Felt so comfortable for the 5-minute high to break, or just this 1-minute high. If it broke that 1-minute high at 60 or whatever, 65, 63, I was gonna sell on that high. So most likely, if it broke it but didn't want to break 70, I was just gonna sell like within that range. But this thing just immediately flopped on me, and that's just, I don't know. And then I tried to wait for a little bounce on it. Clearly no bounce, so I took the L. Nothing I could do there. Kind of annoying because I've waited all week for a trade. This one looked the cleanest to me, looked the best, and obviously just didn't work in my favor, which is really annoying, I'd say. EFO wise, it's not bad, it's just not a lot of volume in it, or momentum, I guess. Float's not that high either, which is why I'm kind of confused. ISIG, DNAY. DNAY is popping back up here. DNAY made a similar move to RELI in that drop. But I would wait for RELI. If I had to choose between the two, I'd probably just wait for RELI. Just because RELI's 10-minute could potentially curl, and then we could see a big move. IMTE just got halted. Light on volume, too light on volume. BBBY. Dead. TCAT. Back to RELI. I don't know. That just pissed me off, if I'm being honest. I was looking at it as a no trade day today, just because I didn't want some bullshit like that to happen, but clearly I couldn't save myself from this loss. I should have just taken my profit, but I had, like I said, I had confidence in this stock. The setup looked clean, everything looked good. There's a 2-candle pullback, and all I was anticipating for was the 1 minute or at least a 5-minute high break, and then we could see it all the way to like 780 or something. Let's just say I was kind of expecting a move like that, but clearly it just snapped back dramatically, and I was not expecting that, so that's really annoying. So RELI's just pulling back too much. This thing needs to pop up here. Might touch 7 and then pop back up above 7, but it needs to hold the 7 level. I would personally want to see it back towards 730. That's where I'd feel more confident taking another entry on this one, is back at 730. But I don't know, I guess we just have to wait and see. I don't like this one below view up in general. So I don't think I'm gonna trade it. DNAY back above VU up here. 1 minute MACD curl looks good, but 10 minute MACD does not look good. CPOP, EFOY. So we have some sort of flag or pennant on EFOY here on the 1 minute. Nice 5-minute break. Was I watching this one? I don't know. Oh yeah, I was. I just said it wasn't that big of a mover. TCAT rejection. So knowing how it is right now, how everything's just so trash, I'm most likely just gonna close it up because I don't feel like losing more money after a whole week of not making any money and finishing down $95 today. I'm almost at my stop loss for the day, so honestly I think I'm just done. So I will catch you guys tomorrow for some more trades, hopefully. But if it's as dead as it is in the morning as today, I'm just for sure not gonna trade tomorrow. If it's that dead tomorrow, I'm not gonna even bother trading. So I'm most likely just gonna have like a short 10-minute video or something, seeing what's there. If there is potential and there's a lot of things popping, then okay, you know, of course we can get another Friday like that one where it's dead all week, and then we get DWAC popping up. So if we get another one of those, then yeah, I'll take some trades. But in this case right now, the market is completely dead for me at least, and I don't know, I'm just really frustrated right now. So with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow.